Morning we decided to go to, well, I've called it Candyland, but it's called Grand and Great. It was basically just like ice creams and stuff made out of concrete, bit naff. So I wouldn't advise it. However, if you cross the bridge and go, that's Jack. What's it called? Hansel and Gretel. And there's a witch. Yeah, go inside. You're okay. So this part's quite good actually. You've got like the three little pigs with the three houses. I think that's Pinocchio. Little Miss Hubbard. Jack and the Beanstalks over there, and Hansel and Gretel. But Katara loves the three little pigs, so yeah, go inside. But if the witch, can you see the three little pigs? Yeah. Where's the big bad wolf then? Well, that house is made out of straw. That house is made out of wood, and that house is made out of bricks. And so there must be a big bad wolf here somewhere, Katara. Oh! 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 Wait, it is. Don't know. No, I'm scared. The witch fox is in there. Look. That's okay. Eat the sweetie, little girl. Okay, I'll go with you.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Let's go inside, go. Go, go, go. Hello. I'll go with you. Yeah, okay. I'm coming with you. You go first.
No, you go first.
Little girl. I eat you, little girl. Oh. Where's the princess like? She's kissing the frog. Oh yeah, what's that one called? Princess and the Toad. This is good. This is better than the other side, isn't it? There's a dragon over there. You might eat you. But this is better than the other side. It's a real life castle.
Can I see this though?
Yeah. I'll do the same thing. What is this? Ah, that's Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Like, let's see, like the Seven Dwarfs. So I think she's with Happy, and then we walk around here. Katara, come and walk around this way, because it's nice. And then that one's Mammy. See Mammy there? That's Grumpy. So that's Mammy. And that's Jolly, Bashful. I can't even remember them all. But I definitely know that one is Mammy. That is, I think that is Pinocchio, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's Pinocchio. It is Pinocchio, isn't it? Because he made a little boy out of wood. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's definitely Pinocchio. Yeah, little Pinocchio. And this is Little Miss Hubbard, I think. Is that Little Miss Hubbard or am I wrong? I forget, I'm not a good one in this around. Yeah, go on. She lives in the shoe. You can go all the way to the top. Go, go, go. I can't, I'm too big. Can you go up in the shoe with Katara? You can go with Katara, go. What are you scared of? Go! Lad, go, go, go. Oh, used to wimps. Proper scaredy pants. Yeah. Let's go see Jack and the Beanstalk. Any big wimp. He's cutting down the beanstalk, look, Jack. And the giant fell down, that's Jack. Got Yogi Bear. Yeah. Don't know what that is. I know that's Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. There's Rapunzel. Look. Rapunzel. That's Alice in Wonderland. Rapunzel, Rapunzel. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. That is Katara, that is, yeah. Little Red Riding Hood. That is Alice in the Wonderland. Oh, yeah, I'll go and see you. Let's knock on the door. Let's knock on the door, look. Grandma. Let's go look. Hi, go on. Hello, Grandma. Oh, Grandma, what big teeth you have. Nice. Oh, Grandma, what big ears you have. All of us to here with my girl. Oh, Grandma, What big nose you have. All the better to smell you, my girl. Oh, Grandma, what big teeth you have. All the better to eat you. You get your hat on. Go. Katara's proper scared of big bad wolves. So that was alright as well. That is, I think that's supposed to be Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Count how many there is. How many is there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Seven, you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go in this. So be careful, there's no big bad wolves. Go.
Come inside.
I'm coming. Ah. This is a nice house, isn't it? Why were you scared there? You big wimps. Go. Hunchback of Notre Dame. He rings a bell, doesn't he? Oh, you okay? Yeah, go in. Yeah, I'll go in with you.
I don't like him.
Why?
He's funny.
Yeah, he's got a hunchback, hasn't he?
Come on, come with me.
No, I
Go inside.
No, you don't.
Oh, you're big wimpies. So that one, that's quite good. Go in then, go in.
No, you come with me.
Come on in. This is the castle. The castle of what? What is it? Who's that? Is that Prince Charming or not?
Yeah. I'm Princess from Jasmine.
Let's do it. How much out there? Hear thee, the princess has arrived. Da, 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 da. That was good. Sleeping Beauty, that's why. Oh, Sleeping Beauty, she fell asleep, look. Because she got put under a magic spell by a witch. Aww. Aww, hope she's going to be okay.
I wish I could be her.
You are her, you're better than her, you're even more beautiful. Now, wait there. So I'll wait there again, stay there and I'll do it again. Ready? Make way, make way. Princess Katara has arrived. Make way, Princess Katara has arrived.
Okay.
Right, so Katara, best. So Katara has said that this is her house and she wants to live here forever because she is a real life princess, aren't you? Oh, see? Dun, 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 dun. Make way! Princess coming through.
I'm scared.
What are you scared of? Chat here. Okay, yeah, go on, sit with her. Katara, you have to wave like this. There it is. That's it. Best, you're the big bad wolf or the third little pig, what are you?
No, I'm not big trouble.
You're the little pig then? Do a little video. It's ridiculously hot outside. Really hot outside, isn't it, Bess?
Yeah.
It's hot, isn't it? So hot. And we came in to get something to eat. And luckily enough, there's a steakhouse here. How convenient. Oh, I've been fancying a steak yesterday.
Yeah.
So,
Like little pig house.
little pig house, yeah. Steakhouse, really. So I got a ribeye steak. Best has got spaghetti bolognese, and Katara has got chicken nuggets and chips. So Best got bolognese. Looks hot. Looks hot, Best.
Yeah.
Katara got chicken nuggets and chips. I went for the steak. Looks very presentable, doesn't it? But Katara's been a bad girl, she's not eating any food. Look, Best's going to end up eating it all. Because she just likes sweets too much. Here, look, you've got the food. You don't have the food. Huh? That cool, Katara?
Yeah, I want to miss.
Oh, look, the goat. Look, one so you'll give some to the goat.
That must you.
He's coming, look, he's coming. He's fit. Yeah, Katara, watch yourself, look. I can't, he's not going to bite you. Careful your fingers, look. Hungry? He's just hungry. Because they're hungry. This one? I feel fine. This one?
Yeah. Why are you hungry?
Because the billy goats eat a lot. You're biting me. You pudgy. And they're biting my pants. Katara got headbutted by one earlier. Didn't you? There we go. This. We're going to go on a horse ride soon. Best feed these two. Feed them.
Really good.
Smart, aren't they?
Oh.
There's big fat guy. I might bite though. I don't know. Pigs are angry. Piggy. What do pigs do, Katara? I'll come with you, but are you going first?
No. Yeah. It's you.
I can't ride it. I'm too big. It's only one person. The man will take care of you though, because he knows what to do. Here he comes. You first, Best. You're okay. I'll tell you what to do, look. Put your leg in the stirrup. Go on, Best. Go on, Best. Huh? Hi, Best. Put your foot in the stirrup. Go on, mate. Emma.
Is it good one?
Oh, you okay? Photo? Yeah. Me? Oh, small horse. You're getting the small horse, I think. You're getting the small pony. Don't be scared, okay? I'll be with you. This way, look, this way. You get on the steps.
Yeah.
Oh,
He's so hungry.
he's so happy
Why?
because he loves you. Okay. You okay, lad? Katara, you like a cowgirl? Okay, Katara. It's really fast. You alright, Bess? First time? Cowboy best. You go. Baby ones, look. Bigger, yeah. You can feed them. They won't jump that high, surely. It's too high. Go down, go down. Is it good fun, Katara? Oh, I feel sorry for Ethan because Ethan couldn't come because he's sick. It's okay, he'll get down. Best for getting down, look. Getting down, Best. What? Because I love you. Let's go. Bess. Bess hasn't seen one of them cows before, have you, Bess? Because it's an English bull cow. Or a Western one. Huh? Cab. Big moo cow, Katara. You used to love moo cows, didn't you?
That's cute.
Yeah. That's the boy one, I think. He's skinny though. Not like the girl. She's pretty skinny though, considering. Look at the bones on it. Oh, I think it's too hot for him. Huh?
Look at her. Look at his head.
Yeah.
Can you see it? Can you see that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, cool. Oh,
I don't know what they all are. I think you've got food, look, but you haven't got none. Oh, we haven't got any food for them. Because we've run out of money. And these cows too, look.
Oh.
Oh.
Go see that. We're gonna go see
The boat?
the makeup thing.
We'll have a look.
That cow go see the makeup.
Wait. Like, Tara on the boat. Best pedaling because he wanted to go on it. And the boys, 1 second. I'll pedal with you, Bess. The boys that got to give us the boat asked Bess, why? Can you speak Thai? Not? I said, yes, I can speak Thai. He said, how you can speak English so good? Bess quite good at English. Try the fish, look. Put your finger in. Put your finger in. And then try. Spider. Call the fish, Katara. Jump in. To eat you. Look, them one's coming. Looks like a little torpedo, look. See it? That must be a big fish, though. Oh, maybe a crocodile. Katara, put your finger in. Put some. I will. There's a big one. Jet man.
Little bit.
Okay. Can't wait to see them fish, look at that. Look like a torpedo coming. It looks like a big one, doesn't it?
You can't see the thing. Can't see the thing because
Oh,
Daddy pedal.
how to share?
Stop!
Katara. Okay. Is it a hot bum? We're going on a rocket ride. That'll be fun, won't it? Are you driving, Bess? Up and down. Press the buttons. Press the buttons, that's it. So just a summary, if you have got small children and you're thinking of taking them to Candyland or whatever it's called, Great and Grand, if you're thinking about taking them, I wouldn't bother, I'd skip it and go straight to, wait, move. I'd skip it and go straight to Pattaya sheep farm. It's miles better, it's the same amount, it's the same amount of money and it's a much better experience. That great and grand is pretty much rubbish. It's like there's nothing to do there. It's just like a few candy canes and melted ice creams and things that, well,
Yeah,
is what it is.
And Ethan's because he's quite cold.
Yeah, we feel sorry for Ethan because he's very, very sick. He's got a high temperature. He's in bed doing nothing, and we've come and had fun.
Yeah, and Ethan didn't pet the rabbit.
Yeah. Okay. So she got her makeup done. Look how beautiful she is today. Hi, Stan. Wee,